Okay, so this is just my angel food cake. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. This is gonna be added later on. Go ahead and grab a bowl, a big bowl. You're gonna need a big bowl for this one. And then get some Cool Whip. I have the extra creamy, but you can use the regular. Make sure it's thawed out. That's the most important part for this dish. Okay, use that whole container of Cool Whip. This is gonna be so yummy and so delicious. I love making this for a summer barbecue because you don't need to turn on your oven and you get the best dessert you can ever make. All right, beautiful. All of that Cool Whip in there. Grab some sweetened condensed milk, and we're only gonna use about half of this can. Drizzle it right in there. Ooh, yeah, okay. Half the can. Give that a good mix before we add the other deliciousness. I love sweetened condensed milk, and that's just gonna make this Cool Whip extra sweet and nice and creamy.
The condensed milk and the Cool Whip is blending perfectly together.
Yeah, okay, that's already mixed together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab strawberry jello. This is the small jello packet, and we're gonna use the whole packet. Okay, and you can change up your flavors with this one, but we're doing a strawberry dessert today, so I did the strawberry jello. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix that entire jello packet in with the condensed milk and the Cool Whip, and it's gonna be so delicious. And don't forget, we have that yummy angel food cake that we just cut up. That is gonna be added to this. Just wait and see. Okay.
This color looks delicious. It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Ooh,
That's what
this
I'm
looks
talking
so good, you guys. Okay.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some fresh strawberries. I washed and cut these, and I just put them back in the container because I don't wanna wash another bowl. And we're gonna put all those in there. Just fold those right into our Cool Whip mixture, just like this. Doesn't that look like a beautiful summer dessert?
I am getting severely excited for this dish.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Plus the angel food cake that's waiting over there.
Yeah, just you wait. Okay, before we hop into that angel food cake, we are gonna add some mini marshmallows. This is gonna be super sweet and super delicious. I'm gonna use half of that bag of mini marshmallows. Okay, oh, look how good that looks. So like I said, you could do any fruit you want. You could do cherry jello with fresh cherries in here. You could do lemon jello and do some lemon zest in here. Whatever you like, it's totally customizable to your palate.
I thought I knew what you were doing until you put marshmallows in there.
I know, call me crazy.
What's happening here?
All right, so what we're making here is a summer dessert salad. Yep, I know. I don't think I can actually call this a salad because it's so sweet and delicious, but I'm calling it a salad, and you guys can call me crazy.
You have fruit. You have fruit in there. I would call that a salad.
Okay, now we're gonna grab that angel food cake. I did cut these up just a little bit more so that there would be more bite size. And we're just gonna throw this in right with our summer dessert salad. You could totally make your own angel food cake, but I wanted this to be a no bake, no oven dessert. So I am just bought my store-bought angel food cake, and now we're gonna go ahead and mix that right in with our strawberry mixture. This is gonna be so good. This is the biggest bowl I have, so do not come at me for the small bowl. This is gonna be so good, you guys.
Yeah, if you presented this to me, I would probably ask you to marry me.
Well, you already did ask me, so can't go back.
Shoot, awkward.
All right. Look how yummy that looks.
I want to get close in on this.
Yeah, that is it. Our easy, no-bake summer dessert salad. Smells so good. Okay.
It really does.
I need to scoop myself some out. Marty, can you get me a fork? Okay. Beautiful. And you can even top this up with some Ready Whip. But you know what? I think it's sweet enough. I don't need Ready Whip. Okay. I want to fresh strawberry. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous?
Looks amazing.
Mmm.
Good.
So good.